This chipper is hungry for my big, fresh branches. Ready for the close-up, sweetie? Totally going viral. It doesn't like that one. Reverse and dry. That's fresh wood, sweetie. Too green.
Maybe I can find some dry ones?
Hold it, Chief. Shut off and stand back. I'm on it. Never give a chipper anything you wouldn't give a chef.
Slowly, Badger. Don't strip the gears now. It's like pulling a sticky tooth out of a giant. These are dry. See? I found the brittle ones. See the difference? Dry fuel, clear flow. Green is glue.
Patience, little chips. Soon you'll be garden gold.
Check out these amazing berries, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Chip block. Viral moment confirmed. Hashtag farm fail. Hashtag learnings.
Just the perfect little crispy ones. Very slow.
Atta girl. Smooth as butter. That's how it's done.
Now that's what I call mulch. Efficiency and safety.
A jam became a feast. Everything has a purpose.
Steam is good, but dry chips need a sip now.
Just enough to cool it, not soak it. Call it a mulch smoothie. Ooh, a magic vapor cloud.
She's humming fine now, just needed a proper meal. Thank you, Mr. Badger.
I'll keep the green stuff away. All right, team, next stop, the field. Mulch delivery. Let's make some gold. Slow and steady, sweetie. We move like molasses. Slow, steady work. Life is in the layers. Found another dry one. Good for next time.
Cinematic, people! Look at that soft focus bokeh!
Perfect scoop. Not too much, not too little.
Excellent pouring, young driver. Keep that rhythm.
Smells like success and earthy gold.
Watch that clutch. Gentle now, don't spill the cargo.
Smooth driving, sweetie. Destination, Blueberry Row.
Good work, Turtle. Now for a nice, long engine rest.
Even the strongest tools need nurturing, Badger.
Sleep well, old friend.
This is gold. Pure, uncut, organic comedy.
We can't leave the green mess. Gotta keep it tidy.
We're almost there. Keep that speed steady. Hello, Blueberry Row. Ready for your smoothie. Perfect stop, right alongside the first row.
The gold is delivered. Time to tuck the plants in.
Not too deep, just a nice, warming blanket. Mulch layering tutorial. This is premium content. Woof!
Little friends like the new dirt blanket. We're giving them the best foot warmers ever! Perfect depth. This will hold moisture like a charm.
A fine use of a chipper jam. Everything salvaged.
Look how much better that row looks now. So tidy! Time to reload. We're making good time. Watch those turns, sweetie. Wide arcs only.
Good traction. Nothing stops a well-maintained machine. Cleanliness ensures good health for chipper and garden.
Smells like a big mistake, but it's still kinda yummy.
Resourceful dog alert. Use what you have, folks.
Making sure Sweetie has only the best snacks.
You did good work today, old friend. You deserve a Polish. Can't just be mulch, gotta be smart mulch.
Badger always has the secret sauce for everything.
Just a pinch of magic to complete the smoothie.
Half the garden is happy. Let's keep this rhythm going. Second scoop is even smoother. Practice works.
Good fill. Let's make this the fastest run yet.
Onward to Apple Blossom Lane. Full speed ahead. Not full speed, sweetie. We're transporting gold.
Rest allows appreciation. This row is perfect. Water delivery. Gotta keep the team hydrated.
You broke my artistic low-angle symmetry, dog!
Back to the director of photography. Action. Focus.
Easy. Back up a hair. Perfect. Now, dump. Apple saplings need a good drink holder, too.
Feeder roots are happy roots. Mix it in deep. Sun's getting high. Don't want this mulch to dry out too fast.
Cool the mulch and the crew.
Water makes the sun mist. That's almost magic. Keep up the hard work, team. We're almost to the berry patch. strawberries! They need the best mulch smoothie! Gotta check on my name sock, the Strawberry Patch! I wonder if they'll pay us in snacks. Last row, crew! Let's finish strong before lunch!
Waste not, want not. Every chip counts.
Perfectly empty. We didn't leave a single chip behind.
The final scoop! The end of the journey! Subscribe! You need a drink, Squirrel. Vlogging is hard work. Hydrated. Now for the final recap.
Look at that line. Beautiful, clean, and nourished. Sleep well, little berry. Grow strong and sweet. I guess even a jam can turn into a good thing. Not a mistake, just not ready yet. I'll remember. You did great, sweetie. Every farmer learns from a jam. The whole farm looks so tidy and ready to grow.
Mulch is more than just chips. It's an investment. Rest up, metal giant. Tomorrow, more green, but dry.
Ready and waiting for the next challenge.
Clean tools, clean mind. Ready for the next layer.
I'm ready for the next job. I can carry the small, light stuff. Thank you, Lost Dog. Now I look professional.
That's a wrap on Garden Gold. Hit like and smash subscribe.
Good work, team! Jam became Garden Gold today. We learned a big, sticky lesson. Pineapple.
Always plan for the unexpected. And always have a wrench. Patience, care, and turning mistakes into beauty.
We'll have the best berries in the county next season. Grow, grow, go, little apple friends.
Say, mulch smoothie!
That's the rhythm of the farm. Hard work, good lessons.
What's next, Mom? What new thing can we learn?
Always something new, sweetie. Always.
I'll keep finding the dry sticks. I'm the twig finder.
A good tool never forgets the job it just finished. The earth is breathing. We helped it breathe today.
Jam became garden gold. Garden gold.
And that's a wrap on a perfect farm day, people!
Rest now. Tomorrow, more mulch, but the dry kind.
I can't wait to chip again.
It's the heart of the farm now. Resting.